it's shocking what the outcome of this judgment is, in effect, because we picked up yesterday already that there was a sense to convolute the hearing itself and the submissions that were made by Counsel Mpofu, and we could already see that the technicality that they were going to use was the issue of direct access. Now, if you're going to refer to the issue of direct access to kick this matter out of this court, let us not forget that this is the same constitutional court that at first instance and last instance, when the case against President Zuma for him to be incarcerated without him having gone through and having had a day in court, this is the same constitutional court that allowed direct access for the incarceration of a man whom, by the way, had not even seen his day in court and sent him to jail. So it cannot be that for such a serious matter, such as what has been brought about the president's delinquency, on an issue that the South Africans themselves have brought up as an uproar, that he actually, that this court now just sees it as an issue that should be sent back to the High Court. No. If you look at the issue of the CR17 statements, which today still have not been unsealed, it's the same court that is sitting with this issue. The issue of Phala Phala, he's never had his day in court. So the application of the law in this country, it's clear that Lady Justice has got eyes, and unfortunately, this is something that now the South Africans themselves and people on the ground must take into their own hands. Because this court is now no longer, and this judiciary is no longer a judiciary for the people, as we've said, and as Mkhwanazi has said. They are implicated, especially because they're trying to push for a judicial commission of inquiry. I mean, you would have heard, as Mpofu did mention yesterday, that why should it be a judicial commission of inquiry when in actual fact you can have just a commission of inquiry first and foremost, which in this case, we've said there's no need for that. Because General Mkhwanazi's political killings task team has been effective. 436 people arrested and charged. Even after he had made those accusations, which people see as accusations, which we believe there is something there was people that have been arrested. So why not allow that process to continue? Instead, these courts are being used now to participate and infringe on police work. And on that, I'll allow I'd like Mpofu to also make a comment.
Before you enter, what stops the MK from heading to the High Court on an urgent basis at this stage?
And to interject the inquiry, I mean, that's something that was heard here.
Is it something you're going to be doing?
Look, we have to consult. This is a very serious issue. We're going to consult. I need to consult with the national officials, obviously with our legal team, but as to what the next steps are. But in this country, quite honestly, this is more than anything else, just a travesty of justice.